Hello, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the tips in achieving a flawless makeup look. Okay, I'm going to share how to achieve those flawless look by using these tips. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. I really appreciate it. I love you so much. I love you guys. So yeah, without much ado, let's dive into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is cleansing. When it comes to makeup, cleansing is the most important steps in makeup, because you don't want to do a makeup on a dead skin so that you can have that patchy makeup. So cleansing helps to make sure that it removes dirt from your skin, and it also helps your skin to be rehydrated. It helps to remove excess oil on your skin. So that is probably how cleansing help in these steps. So you have to make sure that your skin is being cleansed. We have a lot of cleanser that you can use to clean your face so that your face can be fresh and clean for that perfect makeup to set on. Yeah, that is the first step that you need to do. So now let's move to the second thing that you have to look out for. So the second thing is you have to moisturize your skin. Moisturizing your skin just probably helps to hydrate your skin. It helps to reduce wrinkles on your skin, and it also helps to help your skin look fresh. So moisturizing your skin is also very crucial here. You don't want to do a makeup on a dry skin. Doing a makeup on a dry skin, you can see that you can start having some patchy look that you're not looking for. So even if you are oily skinned, still you need to hydrate or moisturize that skin to have that flawless makeup that you are looking for. Excuse me. So yes, moisturizing is also very important here to look out for. So you need to moisturize that skin so that it can reduce those wrinkles. Especially some of the moisturizers also reduce the pores on our skin. So hydrating also help in this step. So please, you need to moisturize the skin to have that flawless makeup. So now let's move to the third thing that you have to do. So my third step is you need to exfoliate your skin. This step also helps in makeup, helps to achieve that flawless makeup. When it comes to exfoliating your skin, you can do it once in a week or twice in a week. So in this step, it helps to remove the dead cells on your skin. Exfoliating your skin helps to make your skincare product to set on your skin well. Imagine not removing the dead cells on your skin. You can see that sometimes when you finish doing your makeup, the product cannot even penetrate to the skin. So you need to also make sure that you exfoliate to remove dead cells on your skin. And this process or this step can help your product to sit well on your skin. So it's very important to exfoliate your skin. So now let's move to the next thing that you have to do to have that flawless makeup. So the next thing that you have to do is you use primer. Primer just helps the makeup to keep all day long, and it also serves as a barrier between your skin and the foundation. It prevents the foundation moving from your skin, and it also helps to reduce the pores. So when you are trying to have that flawless makeup look, you need to use primer. So now let's move to the last tips for you. The last tip is to use your setting spray whenever you finish applying your makeup, and these steps helps to reduce the powder look on your face, and it also helps you to achieve the desired look that you are looking for by creating that dew finish look or the matte finish look or that glowy look that you are looking for. So this is what the setting spray does. So by using it, it will help you have that flawless makeup that you are looking for. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is very helpful. If it does, give me the thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.